Millions of people cook rice every day without realizing that simply adding water directly to the rice cooker is a huge mistake. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. I wonder if you're like me, loving rice, but sometimes it's mushy, sometimes dry and hard, and sometimes just not tasty at all, ruining the whole meal. Sometimes, just because the rice isn't cooked to my liking, the whole meal is ruined. I used to think it was the rice that was the problem, until a 5-star hotel chef showed me the right way to cook rice. It turns out the biggest mistake was just adding water and pressing the cook button. With just a few small changes, the rice will cook evenly, be fluffy, soft, and fragrant like restaurant rice. Today, I'm sharing that method so you can apply it at home. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Take the amount of rice you have at home according to the number of people eating and put it in a bowl. First, we begin by washing the rice. Add plenty of water to the rice and start washing. A very common mistake when cooking rice is washing it too many times. Many people wash rice 4 or 5 times, even scrubbing vigorously, thinking that they need to clean the rice husk. This method is completely inadvisable as it easily removes water-soluble nutrients. The correct way is to still wash the rice, but not excessively. During the washing process, there's no need to rinse the rice under running water continuously. Just gently stir the rice in the bowl with your hands to remove impurities. Washing gently about 1 to 2 times is enough, even with old rice. With old rice, it's best not to wash it more than 3 times. Afterward, we discard the rice water. Many people have the habit of throwing away the rice water. In fact, this seemingly ordinary rice water has countless amazing uses. Using rice water to wash fruits and vegetables is also very good. Because rice water is slightly acidic, it can break down pesticide residues clinging to fruits and vegetables. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After rinsing with clean water, the fruits and vegetables will be safer and healthier to eat. In particular, rice water is a beauty secret that many people have trusted for a long time. Simply let the rice water settle. Gently pour off the clear water on top, keeping the cloudy, nutrient-rich water at the bottom. In particular, rice water is a beauty secret that many people have trusted for a long time. Simply let the rice water settle. Gently pour off the clear water on top, keeping the cloudy, nutrient-rich water at the bottom. Using rice water to water plants is beneficial because it retains some of the rice's trace elements such as calcium and phosphorus. Watering plants with this water can help them grow better. After settling, rice water is a slightly acidic liquid. With long-term use, it can also regulate the soil's acidity and alkalinity, making it suitable for most plants. Using rice water to wash dishes can also effectively clean grease from surfaces. Due to its acidic nature, the water molecules in rice water help to separate grease. More importantly, rice water contains no additives, saving money and being good for your health. In addition, it can also be used to wash freshly purchased meat or seafood with a strong fishy smell. Just add a little salt to the rice water to remove the fishy smell, making the food taste better after cooking. Use rice water to clean your stovetop. Dip a soft cloth into the rice water. Wring it out. Gently wipe the entire stovetop surface. Use the rice water-soaked cloth to wipe from top to bottom, especially effective for areas prone to grease splatters behind the stove. For stubborn grease stains, place the rice water-soaked cloth on the stain for 1 to 2 minutes. Then wipe it clean and the grease will wash away easily. No need to scrub hard, the rice water will soften the stains gradually. This method is very economical, utilizes readily available ingredients, cleans the kitchen gently, doesn't leave a strong odor, and won't damage the kitchen surface in the long run. Continue rinsing the rice a second time with clean water. When rinsing a second time, simply rub gently with your hands and drain the water. There's no need to rinse for too long. Many people, after completing this step, rush to add water to cook the rice. That's wrong. If you want soft and sweet rice, you need to add one of the following 3 things. First, add a little salt. Salt helps increase the firmness of the rice grains and enhances the natural aroma of the rice. The cooked rice will be chewy, not sticky, and very fragrant. Secondly, there's white vinegar. The main component of white vinegar is starch. When an acidic substance meets starch, it makes the rice fluffier and softer. Another benefit is that in very hot weather, vinegar helps prevent rice from spoiling, extending its shelf life. However, don't add too much vinegar when cooking rice. For every 1 kilogram of rice, only 2 to 3 drops of white vinegar are needed. And you don't need to worry about the rice turning sour, because the acetic acid in the vinegar will completely evaporate during cooking at high temperatures. A not third, pork fat. If you want your rice to be translucent, shiny, and fragrant, rendered pork fat is indispensable. Pork fat helps make the rice grains brighter and enhances their aroma. However, don't add too much fat or use oil with a strong smell. Otherwise, the rice will be greasy. Pork fat helps make the rice grains brighter and enhances their aroma. However, don't add too much fat or use oil with a strong smell. Otherwise, the rice will be greasy. Adding too much water will make the rice mushy, while adding too little will leave it undercooked. Different types of rice have different water absorption capacities, so you can't rely solely on the standard markings on your rice cooker. If you're unsure about the amount of water, you can use your finger as a measuring tool. Measure the depth of the rice. If the rice is 2 finger widths high, the water should be 1 finger width high. Remember this ratio. Just cook it once, and you'll gain experience next time. If the rice absorbs little water, add a little less. If it absorbs a lot, add a little more. Then you can start cooking the rice. Normally, cooking rice takes about half an hour. Just use the regular rice cooking setting on your home rice cooker. However, the difference is that after the rice is cooked, don't open the lid immediately. Let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes before eating. At this point, the rice will be at its best, softer, and especially suitable for people with sensitive digestive systems. Dear friends, making videos isn't easy. Every message, every like, and every follow motivates me to keep trying. If you find my video helpful, please share and give me a like. Rice cooked this way will have distinct, fragrant, soft grains that are neither mushy nor hard. Actually, cooking delicious rice is very simple. Just remember to add 3 things and follow 2 extra steps. Just remember to measure the water accurately and let the rice rest after cooking. After the rice is cooked and left to rest, the grains will be plump and separate. At the same time, the flavors of the 3 added ingredients are maximized. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. It's no exaggeration to say that I could eat 2 large bowls of rice alone without any side dishes. If you don't believe me, try it once. I believe you'll learn something. If you have picky eaters at home, you should definitely remember these rice cooking tips. If you find this helpful, please save and support me. That's all for today. If after watching you find it more delicious or have other ideas, please leave a comment and feedback below. Remember to like, share, and spread this video. Click on my profile picture to see more cooking tips and life skills. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. See you next time.